My customer brought this phone to me this morning and she said that the screen of this phone is not working, that the phone entered water. So she brought the phone to me this morning to check. So I told her that the screen is not good, that I need to change the screen before the phone can now work very well. So let me show you how the phone screen look like. So can you see? Let me turn on the phone now. Guys, can you see the color of the phone screen? Can you see that the color is not good because of the water? So what I will do now, I need to change the screen. So first of all, guys, don't forget to apply paste first. Then the next thing is for you to bring your soldering iron and make sure it is very hot. Engineers, can you see the way I'm doing my own? So as a beginner, as somebody that is just starting this phone work, you have to follow all these procedures, guys. Do not rush, do not just carry soldering iron and start dragging the screen. So make sure you apply a little lead first before you now apply your iron and then remove the screen smoothly without anything happening to the legs. Guys, can you see the way I'm doing? And guys, follow these steps so that you will not spoil your customer phone. Engineers, I recommend you doing this first before fixing any screen. This will help you to know whether the screen that you want to fix to the phone is still good or not, or the color of the screen match with the phone. So make sure you try doing this first before fixing it on the phone panel. Guys, can you see? Make sure you place it very well and hold it. You can hold it with your hand, then press the power on key. Guys, you can see it's showing ITEL with normal red color. Guys, everything is working now. Guys, you can see the new screen match with the phone. So what I will do now, I'm going to lay the screen and everything is done. So for you to lay the new screen, make sure that you apply paste. Can you see? Make sure that you apply paste here and also apply paste on the screen. And can you see this screen? There's lid already. Is because I got the screen from one of my phone. So that is why you see the lid there. The next thing is for you to apply lid on the surface of these legs. So guys, can you see? So make sure that you apply lid and make sure that you take your time to do this. So can you see? So you take your time to do this, apply lid on it so that the lid will connect with the screen. Yes, make sure you do this, guys. Take your time to do this so that you will not end up having white screen display after fixing the screen. So the next thing is for you to bring your screen, then start the work. Guys, for you to fix this screen, it is very simple. Make sure that the legs of the screen is also corresponding. This means correct, is in line, right, with the legs on the panel of the phone. Guys, can you see? Make sure that you take your time to do this, then apply your soldering iron. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Make sure that you do this, guys. For those of you that are starting phone work newly, please follow these steps so that you will not spoil your customer phone. Guys, can you see? So can you see? It is very simple to do. And guys, you are done. You are done. This is simple to do, guys. You are done. So guys, can you see? 100% done. Guys, I'm going to test the phone here live for you to see if the screen works. So let me put battery in the phone now and show you. So let me turn on the phone right now. So here we go. 1, 2, and go. Guys, can you see? So we have ITEL. Guys, it's working. Can you see it's working? Guys, if you love this video, make sure you share, comment, and like. God bless you. My name is Father Joe, the phone doctor. So my next video is coming soon. Make sure you comment, ask me a question in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.